Let's try to convert g of x into a factored form. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so first, um, we want to find the factors of the constant term, which is -2. This is the constant term. And this is the leading coefficient. 3 is the leading coefficient. So the first thing we want to do is to find the ratio of the factors of the constant term and the factors of the leading coefficient. So we'll have here factors of 2 over factors of 3. Okay. We know that the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, and factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So now we'll write the factors. The ratio 1 over 1 is 1, 2 over 1 is 2, and then 2 over 1 is 2. Now we do 1 over 3. And that's all the combinations we can find. Again, 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 1 over 3. Oh, there's another one. 2 over 3. All right. So now I will not put positives and negatives to each one of them. I'll just put the positive and negative outside. Okay, so now we know that the zeros of the function are in this list. One of these numbers could be a 0, or all the zeros of the function could be here. So let's start looking for the zeros. I'm going to start with f of 1. See if f of 1 is a 0. So we'll have 3 times 1 cubed plus 8 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1 minus 2. All right, so this is going to be 3 times 1 plus 8 times 1 plus 3 minus 2, which gives us 3 plus 8 plus 3 minus 2, which is 11, 14 minus 2 is 12. Therefore, it's not a 0. Therefore, 1 is not a 0 of the function. Oh, this should be g. Now let's do g of -1. Is -1 a 0? Let's find out. 3 times -1 cubed plus 8 times -1 squared plus 3 times -1 minus 2. This is going to be 3 times -1 because -1 times -1 times -1 is -1 plus 8 times 1 plus -3 minus 2. Therefore, we'll get -3 plus 8 minus 3 minus 2. And this is going to give us 5 minus 3 minus 2, which gives us 0. So g of -1 is a 0. Therefore, we found one factor. G of x is equal to x plus 1 times something. All right, so let's try 2. So g of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 cubed plus 8 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 2. So this will be 3 times 8 plus 8 times 4 plus 6 minus 2. So we'll have here 24 plus 32 plus 6 minus 2. Okay, I think g of 2 is not 0. So it's not a 0. So let's look for g of let's find out if g of -2 is a 0. So we'll have 3 times -2 cubed plus 8 times -2 squared plus 3 times -2 minus 2, which is 3 times -8 plus 8 times 4 minus 6 minus 2, which is -24 plus 32 minus 6 minus 2. This is going to be, if I add all the negatives, that's negative 32 plus 32, which gives me 0. So we know that negative 2 is a 0. Therefore, another factor is x plus 2. We just need one more factor. So we just need to find out which is another 0. Okay, and I will let you continue this. Now, if we look at the graph, where are the zeros? Zeros are at negative 2, negative 1, and here's the other one. It's at 1/3. 1/3. Okay, that's it.